I want to find the equation of the tangent line at this point of this equation. Now, could you put parentheses there? Yeah, it actually might be a better idea. So to find the equation of the tangent line, I basically need to find m. I have x, I have y, I just need to find m, and I got my equation for a tangent line. So to find m, you need to find the derivative. So this is a chain rule. The derivative of cosine is negative sine. Leave the inside. But then don't you have to derive the inside? The derivative of 3x is 3. So you got negative 3 sine 3x. That's my derivative. Okay. But it asks you to find the equation of the tangent line, so I need to find m. So basically I'm going to plug pi over 4 in right there. Negative 3 times sine, and it's going to be 3 times pi over 4. And sine 3 pi over 4. That is going to a negative. Is that negative or positive? Still positive. Positive square root 2 over 2. So it looks like that's probably going to be negative 3 times the square root of 2 over 2. Does that look right? Negative 3 times square root of 2 over 2. That's my slope. So my equation is going to be y minus y, which becomes a plus square root of 2 over 2. Y minus y equals m, which is negative 3 square root 2 over 2 times x minus pi over 4. Now, is this point slope form is a lot nicer than slope intercept form for this particular problem, because see the ugly numbers? If you had to put this in y equals mx plus b, it might be a little bit more work. That's good enough. That's the equation for the tangent line. I wouldn't want to try to graph that tangent line with all this crazy numbers. 84, second derivative. I hope you noticed to do this. X minus 2 to the 1/2. Sorry, to the negative 1 power. I think chain rule is easier than doing a quotient rule. It's your call. You could have done a quotient rule. I want chain. You can just take it to the top, make it a negative power. That's a 1, so 1 times the 1 disappears. So to derive this, the first time, simply bring the negative 1, put it out front, leave the x minus 2, drop the power by 1, be careful, that's negative 2, and then derive the inside. What's the inside give you? 1. Do I really need that there? No. Okay. So, I need to now derive this. Now, all these ones kind of, I don't need to worry about, but that much. Do the second derivative. What's negative 2 times negative 1?
2.
Positive 2. Leave the x minus 2. Drop this by 1 power, or subtract 1 from that, so you get negative third. Derive the inside, which is 1, not necessary. That is the answer, but we don't like negative powers. So your answer, 2 on top, x minus 2 to the third. That would be your answer for your second derivative.